whisper, there's no place here for her kind. Still on she came through the shame that flushed her face, until at last she knelt before his feet. And though she spoke no words, everything she said was heard as she poured her love of the mixture from her box of alabaster. I want to pour my praise on him like oil from Mary's alabaster box. Don't be angry if I wash his feet with my tears and I dry them with my hair. You were there the night he found me. You did not feel what I felt when he wrapped his loving arms around me. And you don't know the cause of the oil in my alabaster box. I can't forget the way life used to be. I was a prisoner to the sin that had me bound, and I spent my days, poured my life without measures into a pit of treasure